Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. My name is Asif. Welcome to my channel Knowledge of Biology. As you know, today we will learn about urinary tract infection and how to treat this infection using home remedies. What are the causes of urinary tract infections? So let's start. Urinary tract infection. UTIs as an infection of urinary tract, sometimes called a bladder infection. The urinary tract is composed of bladder, kidneys, urethra, and ureters. This system is responsible for processing and expelling urine from the body. Usually, the urinary tract can prevent infection. Nevertheless, UTIs are common, and in some cases, they may pass in just few weeks before symptoms become serious. However, when an infection does occur, it is essential to seek medical attention as soon as possible. This can prevent complications from occurring. Now, what are the causes of urinary tract infection? Often, UTIs are caused by bacteria that infect the urinary tract. This can happen for numerous reasons. For example, bacteria may enter the urinary tract during sex or after using the bathroom or washroom. UTIs can be related to other conditions too. For example, kidney stone. If a person has kidney stones, these may block the urinary tract, causing infection. Those with diabetics also have an increased risk, as do people with weakened immune system. So these are the causes of UTIs. Now, home remedies for urinary tract infection. First of all, drink water. One of the simplest home remedies for UTI is to drink plenty of water. This helps to flush the bacteria out of the body. The recommendation is an individual to drink 6 to 8 glasses of water in a day. However, it is essential that medical advice is sought when deciding the amount to drink per day. Drinking too much can be dangerous, particularly with pre-existing kidney diseases. Second one is ginger tea. Ginger is one of the most effective home remedies for UTI. Chewing ginger, drinking ginger juice, or ginger tea can be effective in treating UTIs. Clothing. Loose fitting clothing can prevent moisture from making the infection worse. Tight clothing can encourage moisture to develop. Keeping the public area clean and dry is important to prevent the growth of bacteria. Diet. Vitamin C can inhibit the growth of bacteria in the urinary tract since it makes urine more acidic. Although it is usually advised that vitamin C intake be increased via very diet supplements may be recommended. The study found that vitamin C had a protective effect, cutting the risk of UTIs. Fruits and vegetables are especially high in vitamin C and are the good way to increase your intake, like orange juice, lemon juice, or apple juice. Another fruit is cranberry, has been used as a natural treatment for preventing bladder infections. After that, exercise. New research suggests that regular physical activity, even at low level, may be protect against the bacterial infections. Then performing Kegel exercises. Empty your bladder before beginning. Contract the pelvic floor muscles and hold for count of 10. Relax the muscles completely for a count of 10. Perform your Kegel exercises 3 times a day for a total of 90 contraction a day. Now, preventing future bladder infections. There are following lifestyle changes may help reduce the bladder infections or UTIs. Drink 6 to 8 glass of water per day. Urinate as soon as you feel the need. Take shower instead of bath. Wear cotton underwear. Change your underwear daily. Urinate before and after sexual activity. So these are the preventions of UTIs. So I hope you will like this video. So if you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.